A story about learning English and its benefits. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Ali. He lived in a small town in Turkey. Ali had always wanted to travel the world. He loved reading books about different countries, but there was one problem. He didn't know English very well. Most of the books he read were in English, and sometimes he didn't understand them completely. This made him feel frustrated. One day, Ali decided that he wanted to learn English properly. He thought to himself, if I learn English, I can read books better. I can also talk to people from other countries. It will help me in my travels. So he made a plan. He would study English every day. He was ready to put in the effort to learn. At first, learning English was hard for Ali. The words were difficult and the grammar rules were confusing. But Ali didn't give up. He found an online English course and started studying every day for an hour. He also started watching English TV shows and movies with subtitles. This helped him to hear how English sounds and how words are used in sentences. After a few months, Ali could understand English better. He could read short stories and watch movies without subtitles. His vocabulary was growing, and he was starting to speak more confidently. He also joined an English-speaking group online where he could practice speaking with people from different countries. This was a big step for him. One day, Ali got a message from a friend who lived in the United States. The friend invited him to visit. Ali was very excited, but also a little nervous. He thought, what if I don't understand the people there? What if I can't speak well? But he remembered how much he had improved. He had studied hard, and he had learned a lot. So Ali decided to go. He booked his ticket and flew to the United States. When he arrived, he was nervous, but he was also excited. The first day was a little challenging. He met many people, and they spoke quickly. Sometimes he didn't understand everything they said, but he asked them to slow down, and they were happy to help. As the days passed, Ali got better at speaking English. He could ask for directions, order food at restaurants, and talk to people in shops. He even made some new friends. They were surprised at how much he had learned in a short time. One of the best moments for Ali was when he visited a museum in New York. The museum had a guide who spoke only in English. At first, Ali was worried that he wouldn't understand the guide. But when the tour began, he could understand most of what the guide was saying. He was amazed at how much his English had improved. He was so proud of himself. During his trip, Ali also took part in a language exchange. He met a local person who wanted to learn Turkish, and they helped each other. Ali taught his new friend some basic Turkish, and in return, his friend helped him with English. This was a great experience for Ali because he realized that learning a new language is not only about speaking, but also about connecting with people from different cultures. After spending 3 weeks in the United States, Ali returned home. He was different now. His English had improved a lot, and he felt more confident. He could read English books easily, understand movies without subtitles, and speak with people from all over the world. He also found that many job opportunities were available to him because he could speak English well. Ali's experience taught him many valuable lessons. He learned that learning a language takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. He also learned that practice is very important. The more you practice, the better you become. Ali was proud of his progress, and he decided to continue learning English. He knew that there was always more to learn, and he was excited to keep improving. From that day on, Ali always encouraged others to learn English. He told his friends and family how important it was. He even started helping some of them with their English studies. He shared his experience and tips with them, hoping they would also benefit from learning English. Ali's journey didn't stop there. He traveled to more countries, made new friends, and experienced many different cultures. He also got a better job because of his English skills. Learning English had opened so many doors for him. Ali was grateful for his decision to start learning English, and he knew that he had made the right choice. The end.